What is up, guys? Fawn here. We're doing some Minecraft today. As you can see, we're in the Hive server, and we are going to be doing some Ghost Invasion. Now, I actually play this a lot in my spare time. And yes, this is the double upload I was talking about, but, yeah, I play this a lot in my spare time. And I actually got a human win, guys. Now, I didn't really contribute very much, and the ghosts were kind of bad. So, I feel like I should try to win it another way. Also, I got loads of new ghost skins. I got the lime skin, I got a new zapper, so got some new kits. Oh, for this map, the way to win is go up here. This is how you win. You can lose, but it's hard. It's pretty hard to lose if you're up here. As long as a lot of people come and a lot of people know. Okay, yeah, we got 4 people up here. There are usually more later on in the game because people know that. Okay, look, everybody's just going over here. We'll be unkillable. I mean, okay. I think this is just for the most. I'm gonna try to get the most gunshots win, but I don't think that's gonna happen based on what people are doing. At least I want to get a lot. I want to actually get a shot. Okay. Okay. Just fire for no reason. I'm gonna make like a little blockade of zapper. Okay, people are going crazy. This is probably not a good idea, but I might be getting XP. I don't know. Can I shoot you? I want to shoot you. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, he blew up. No. Okay, you know what? This is it. That's not. No. Oh, thank goodness. Hey. No, who even? What? Who blew me up? Oh, dude. I'm gonna get you. No. Okay. Well, we have this person up here we gotta get. Don't. No. Gonna wait for her. Oh, she's dead, and my detonate didn't work, so I didn't die. Oh, get him! Yay! I got him! Okay, I didn't apparently, but I basically did. But we won, so you know. And yes, you do win if you don't get infected last. If you don't get infected last and you kill all the humans, then you do still technically win. So yeah, it doesn't really matter if you contribute. But if you're the last to die as a human and it's a ghost win, then you don't win. But if it's a ghost win and you're still alive as a ghost and you weren't the last to die, then you still win. Oh, I'm a ghost! Boo! Boo! That's the worst ghost sound effect I've ever made. And somehow I didn't get that guy. Got you. You're dead. Okay. Hey. Head down. Okay, who is shooting me? No, Pigman Man, that's not your name. Hey. Okay. What's up? What's up again? Who did that? You! Somebody in the corner just doing whatever he wants to do. No. Oh, I got him, and I got a fire and flames ghost pop. So if I die, I burn. Okay, good. I love burning and dying. I love that. Oh, hey, I see you. Don't shoot me. I see you. Why did I do that? I didn't mean to. Oh, but we got him anyway. Okay, fine. But yeah. There you go. Yeah. Most humans infected was 4? I thought I got that. Actually, I didn't. Well, I think I got like 3. It's hard to say. Very hard to say. But let's equip the new ghost pop. I have gotten some more stuff, as you can see. Hope that's not the right thing. Hold on. Okay. Love, I love you, so I'm gonna kill you. Apparently that's one. Okay. Mansion with 2 boats. Cool. So, okay, I'm a human. Let's go in the mansion and try not to die. Easier said than done. Okay. Just stay here. can't kill all of us. You probably can, actually, but, you know. There's somebody in there. There's a ghost in there. That guy just... No. Hey! Hey! No. No, I'm a Ghostbuster. Who you gonna call? Not me, apparently. Oh my goodness. That was bad. That was very bad. Oh, I got you, though. Yeah! That was pretty awesome, though. Redeeming. Just redeem myself by killing somebody. Okay, well, why did I do that? Okay, he's dead. Where's the other guy, though? Oh, okay. He's dead. Who is even left? Oh! I see you. I see you over there. I see you. I see you. Oh my goodness, why do I keep doing that? Well, I don't know who you are, but I want you... I keep hitting it too early. What's going on? Oh, hey. Hey, boyo. No. Yes! Yes, I got him! But that's not the last guy? Did they not kill the other guy behind... What? Zero spawns, guys. Is she... Okay, never mind, we win. Okay, that was anticlimactic. But if we want to win, we want to get the spooky hollow map, probably. We do need to look behind us a little more. That's just... Yeah. But, guys, you can actually lose as a ghost. It's kind of hard, but, you know. You can. That's not hard, but if you get a lot of bad ghosts and some good people, then you can get a human win. But yeah, that's what happened with my other human win. I'm sorry I didn't record it. I didn't think about recording it because I'm an idiot. But Arena of the Dead. I'm a ghost again, man. What is it with Arena of the Dead? Okay, you're unlucky, sir. You're just unlucky. Well, you're AFK, so you deserve it. Me hating on AFK people. Don't tell me you haven't ever been AFK before. Okay, well that... Nobody gave me a chance there. I want to get you, hey. Hey. Hey, no. No. I'm not a fan of you doing that. Ooh, I just noticed you. Hey, no. I got him. Hey. Hey, what are you doing? Stop. I got somebody. Oh, you're dead. Okay, I keep detonating. Too early. Hey, okay, you're dead. Oh, I got him. I didn't even see him. Okay, didn't even see him. I saw somebody in the. Okay, there's a guy there. He's probably. Oh, okay, yeah, that guy's dead. Oh, you're here too, apparently. No, don't shoot me. Oh, I got him. Nice. Glazed donuts. Good donuts. Just ate some glazed donuts. I don't know. Okay, dude, why do I keep doing that? Are my fingers just taking a day off or something? That guy just... People are getting shot. What? Who's doing that? Who's shooting people? Oh no, we're out of spawns. And also, if you kill someone who's the last guy as a ghost and you don't have spawns left, you still do win. Tried it before. Okay, we just want to know where they are, though. Where are they? We don't have any ghost spawns left, so it's very, very dangerous. That guy just got shot! Who's doing this? Who's shooting people? Oh, him. Okay, never mind. He's dead now, so it doesn't matter. Okay. So he seems... Okay, let's remember... Oh, we got most humans infected. Yes, 8. That's quite a lot. That's pretty good. But, yeah, let's look out for, whoever you are. I'm just gonna call you 11. You are now officially from Stranger Things, but, yeah. I'm just gonna call that guy 11. He... Or she, I'm just gonna call him 11. I'm just gonna call him a he because I'm weird, but, okay, mansion. This is, actually hide in here. Nah, I don't know. I'm just gonna stay in here. I can still shoot people quite well. I feel like staying outside wouldn't be such a bad idea, though. This guy has been doing pretty... Oh, my. That guy just existed in the wrong time. Okay, why do I keep getting shot, man? What? I just, what happened? Oh man, you're dead. You're dead, sorry. Oh, you killed your friend too. You should be ashamed of yourself. Oh, dude, you weren't able to take us both out and then you died. I don't blame you though, because I don't really know how you could. I wish there was like a piercing effect. I saw that. Okay, we win apparently. Okay, so this guy we gotta look out for. I've noticed he's been doing pretty well. Yep, he's been doing very well. He's been surviving the longest as a human so far, I've noticed, and he's been surviving quite long. So we're gonna need to make sure he dies. If we don't, then it's not gonna be good. We don't want to blow up into fire. Well, we do, but you know what I mean. That sounded weird, and now you guys probably don't know what I mean. Well, unless you weren't paying attention. But we're assuming and hoping you were paying attention. Okay, castle. I'm a ghost. Boo! I'm so spooky. And oh, thanks for spawn killing me. That's very fun. I like getting spawn killed. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, I'm really bad with this. Oh, hey. You spawn killed me, didn't you? You're gonna pay. Yeah, you paid. You paid the ultimate price. We gotta get that weird pumpkin guy. Oh, sneezy sheep. No. I nearly got him. Stop! You're one of me. Why are you doing this? You're one of me. You're a ghost. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't know. Stop. Okay. Oh, I see you. Whee! Got him. So that guy's dead. You're just sleeping or dancing on a bed. I don't know what you're doing. And then the ghost fell off and bumped his head and then died. Which makes no sense because he's a ghost, but you know, why not? This is my channel. Nothing makes sense. Yeah, why were you shooting me? You're a ghost as well. And how does a ghost get infected by being a ghost? It's weird. He's kind of already ghost. This is weird. Okay. Weird. Okay. Sure. For some reason, I didn't know you had red capes. I thought you only had, like, orangey gold. Do they have red capes, or was that a glitch? Oh, they do! Okay. That's like a flag, I think. I think I know the country, but, you know. But anyways. Graveyard! Yeah! This is a pretty good map. This is a so spooky map. Which is a word. I was about to shoot you and please stop! I'm not your enemy! Well, actually I am, because I just massacred y'all. No! Did I get anybody? No, okay. Okay, I'm so bad with the timing. What? What just happened there? Why can't I? Okay, why am I so bad with this? Why am I? What is going on? Why are my fingers acting so, you know, rude? Why are my fingers acting so rude? What have I done to you? What have I done to you? What have I done? What have I done to you? Okay, the humans are doing pretty well. We gotta kill them. Why? Fawn! Stop! What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop, Fawn! You are dumb. Hey, how's nobody gotten this person yet? Okay, I was gonna say, if no one got that person who's right in front of everybody, I don't know. Yeah, they have red capes. I think we already knew that, but you know. Okay. Well, we're just gonna jump off the edge of the map, because why not? This is a pretty cool lobby, but it doesn't have much in it, so it's not amazing. But, you know, I mean, Halloween special. I mean, actually, they kind of had, you know, to build it, so I don't know. But all in all, it's pretty good. It's kind of like the murder mystery lobby, but it would be outside, and it's mixed with the manor map and the abandoned map and kind of the kingdom map for the Treasure Wars games. I'm a ghost again. I'm getting so... I don't know why I'm always a ghost now. Okay, you are very annoyed with me, I can tell. And you are dead! You are dead, yes! Whoa, whoa, whoa! You! This weird guy, I don't know. I don't know what to call you, but you're dead! Hey, how are you? Hey, hello. No, don't do that. That's not nice. That's not nice. Okay, you're shooting me. That's not a cool thing to do. We're bros! I mean, I'm trying to kill you, but we're bros. Yeah, okay. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, stop shooting my friends. That's not nice. That's not nice. Stop. I don't like you shooting my friends! Stop! You're dead! Yes. Yeah, oh, I see 11 pumpkin guy. Oh, I got him! Yay! Final kill, too. I think that other ghost eyeing him was about to steal my final kill. You can't steal the finals. Oh, I've got 9 kills, most kills. I actually kind of expected that because I got a lot of double kills. Triple kills even, kind of. But yeah, baby. I want to get some zapper shots. Like, I wonder what would happen if I got most zapper shots. It'd be kind of funny, but kind of stupid because why would anyone do that? Don't really know. But if you guys want me to do that, then, you know, I'll do it. But Arena of the Dead. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna die because you can't survive Arena of the Dead. Or at least not as a human. Oh my, Ghost just died. Oh, sniped. Hey, no, magenta guy. Don't do that, magenta guy. Hey, yo. Yo, I'm dead. Yeah, I don't know what I was gonna do there because I'm dead. Hey, sir, you're dead. Okay. Guess what? You're dead! And you're dead too. Okay, never mind, you're not. Okay. Where is anybody else? Somebody's getting killed? That's not good. Anybody in a corner who wants to die a miserable death? Huh? I mean, 'cause I'll help you out with that if you want. I'm your guy. You're dead now. Okay. Oh, I'm level 10. Blueberry. Okay. Why is this strawberry lime? I actually got a red one, so I didn't do the red one though because I wanted to scare people stuff because lime is a higher level. Let's put on the blue one. I think that's dark blue, but I don't think it is. I think it's actually, well, that's not, I think it's actually teal. Where is it? That's definitely not blueberry. Why is it all, like, fruits? Default, well, I mean, I know what you're thinking. Default is not a fruit that I know of. Maybe it is. I don't know. Have you ever eaten a default fruit before? And what is this default fruit? I want to know. Does it do Fortnite dances, the default fruit? I want to know. I want to know. Or does he just blow up for some reason and infect people? Because why not? I don't know. Tell me what the default dancing fruit does. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Yeah, I couldn't do anything there, man. My voice went so high-pitched, it wasn't even funny. It was not. At all. Why are you guys blowing up? Why are you blowing up? Where's the last guy, though? Where is he? The green gamer tags mean it's a human. Okay, we win. The red ones mean it's, like, I don't know, a good ghost. I don't know, man. Well, not a good ghost, but, like, a strong ghost. I don't know. And the, like, normal grayish ones, that means they're just ghosts. You can't trust the gray or the red. If it's green, then you're fine, but, you know. But anyway, yeah. Try. Also, watch my little nostalgic fights video because I was doing some Team Skywars in PvP server. Oh, I'm stuck. I don't do that much anymore. Spooky Hollow. Okay, this map's not too bad actually. Like I said before, it's pretty good. You can hide pretty well. Where is the thing though? Guys. Hey. Get out of here. Whoa, you're up here now. Okay, no. Okay, this isn't the right one because it's not tall. It's not that tall. It's not that tall. No, no, go up here. Go up here. Go up here. Hey, how are you? Hello. Okay, so we got a lot of people up here. Ghosts can come up here. So that's not good, but, you know, I mean... Yeah, people are trying to get zapper wins. Like, the most zapper shots fired or something. Hey. I'm gonna check on this side because I noticed a lot of people have been dying from that side, so... Better... That's the only reason we died last time. We might... Oh, I see you, dude. Hey. Oh, yeah, okay, those guys killed you for some reason. But, you know. I don't know why they did that, but they did. I don't know how they noticed that, but they did. And I don't know, I can't fire my zapper that well. And why is no one hitting this guy? So many questions. Oh, okay, someone just got a lot of people infected. Wait, did they kill some of the people on the tree? I thought you were... I thought that guy was a ghost. I thought that guy was a ghost and I jumped into a ghost. Oh, we're out of ghost spawns, boys. We better leave. Okay, never mind. We win. It's very anticlimactic. Very, very anticlimactic. Yeah, this game's weird. It's either really, really, really crazy climatic, really intense levels of 1002. Either that or it's super anticlimactic and nothing happens. Or something happens and nobody cares. It's very crazy. It's a very insane game. But I like it. I love it, actually. It's an awesome game, I gotta admit. I wasn't quite sure about it because I didn't really know how the game worked and how the blast radiuses were, but I think I figured that out a little better now, so... Yeah, okay, Arena of the Dead. This map's pretty bad for strategy. For some reason I've been... Hey. Bro. Okay, just gotta focus for this map. It's pretty bad. It's pretty hard. I want to see if I can get a human win on all maps. Well, slow down there, Fawn. I haven't even gotten one-on-one. Well, I did get one on Spooky Hollow, but... Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, get him. Okay, never mind. You just got shot, so it doesn't matter. That craziness. I don't know how I just got shot by that guy, but okay. And I'm just blowing myself up. I'm so happy. I'm so content with my life. I'm just blowing myself up over and over again. So is there anybody in the corners? No one there. Oh, he's right there. Okay, never mind. He's dead. So anyone else in the corners who wants to show themselves, hey? Who wants to show themselves? Oh, okay. I don't think he even saw you, but you died anyway, so that kind of stinks, man. That really does. I didn't see you for a moment either, so I got no kills, did I? Wow. Good job, Fawn. Wow. It's really, really bad, but it's to be expected from me as a ghost. I'm kind of bad at this. I'm kind of scared if I can do this or not. I want to get Spooky Hollow again, because that's pretty good for this, what I'm trying to do. You get pretty close, get to 0 ghost spawns, then you have a chance. Graveyard, one with 3 votes, okay. That's fine. I do want to see if I can beat this, because, in the graveyard bit, it's kind of like Five Nights at Freddy's, because you gotta keep checking the doors over and over again, see if anybody's there. Close the door, aka shoot if someone's there. I'm sorry, man, but I gotta. I'm sorry, dude. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry, dude. I'm gonna be more protection. Stop. I'm gonna... Okay, you gotta focus on the ghosts, dude. Focus on the ghosts. You're gonna get killed. You crazy man. You're gonna die now. No, we don't want to be friends. Ah! Da 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 da. Okay, I'll stop because I hurt people's ears a lot. Oh, no. Hey, don't you do that? Don't you stop? Oh, look out! Look out! Don't go towards the light. You weirdo. That's not a good idea. Oh no. No. No, what are you doing? 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 No. That was insane at the end. That was crazy. I was just going crazy. I think I could actually win that. I feel like I could actually win on Graveyard. I'm not sure, but I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Okay. Let's go. Can we do Graveyard? I think Graveyard's kind of not that popular. Okay, Spooky. You know what? Spooky Hollow gives us kind of a good chance at getting human win. Well, we are humans, so that might help out just a little bit. So, okay. Well, someone's already infected somebody. That's not what I Sing Despacito for me. Do it. Sing Despacito! Because I'm gonna die. I can't believe that. You're gonna get a human win without me. Aww. And I can't reach you. No. That's so bad. Where is anybody? I wanna know. Could somebody get this duck person? Because we don't want them alive. Okay, goodbye. Okay, people are running from the thing. I don't know why, but they are. The tree's probably the best place in the map, so I don't know why they're doing that, but they are. Okay, we win, apparently. I can't believe I died, like, at the start, man. This is craziness. I'm really bad at this. If you haven't figured out, I'm not good at this. Yeah, I'm not great. I'm okay, though. I mean, I can shoot some people, sort of, if they are right in my face, maybe, but, yeah. I'm not that great with aiming, or at least not the weird gun thing. With a bow, I can do that. With a murder mystery gun, I can not do that for some reason. I don't know. I'm so bad with a murder mystery gun. But anything that has a gun in its name, I just can't aim it. I don't know why. I just can't. Bow and arrow, it's fine, but gun, no, can't work. Just can't shoot. So bad with it. I don't know what's up with that, but I am really not good. Oh, hey. Okay, you're dead. Oh, okay. Well, okay, sure. Oh, I see you there. Hey. Hey, thanks for saving me. Thanks for saving me, lady. Thank you. I'm dead. Never mind. What? You again. Crazy, sad ghost is just existing. No, I want to save you. Oh, okay, well that didn't work. Sad ghost is just existing. For some reason. No. 26 ghost spawns. What is that guy doing? Shoot him. Guys. Who even hit me? I don't... Who even hit me, man? And who was shooting? I don't know. I got one... Oh, no. We got one ghost spawn left. Gotta use it sparingly. Where's the last guy, though? Don't know. He shot me. I don't know how your reflexes are that good, but he shot me. Well, poop. Well, we're gonna try again. I do want to get a human win, though. I don't know if I can, but I want to get a human win. Okay, never mind. Game's ignoring me. We can't get a human win, man. Not with this map. Ugh! I don't know what the scream was, but you know. It was a very weird scream. I think the red ones are like the first ones that haven't even been infected, but are still alive. I'm gonna actually hide here. Don't know how well this is gonna work, but I'm gonna hide. Okay, sure, fine with me. Can I shoot somebody, please? I'm gonna hide here. Wait for everybody's ghost spawns to be at 0 if my teammates can actually do that. Shouldn't have done that. Really shouldn't have done that. But that guy didn't see me anyway. Scary. Spooky, scary. You're not a skeleton, so. Am I the last guy? Oh no. I think I am. I could just wait for them to. Oh, you're gonna blow. Oh, okay, yeah. I don't know how that would have worked, to be honest. But I shot someone, so, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not good with surviving. If I'm the last guy, I'm definitely gonna die. It does not happen. I got a kill as a human? Yeah, I shot that one guy. Didn't I? No, okay, I thought I did. So the guy just blew himself up for no reason. Okay, fine. But yeah, I want to end this off on a win, so I'm going to try to at least get a ghost win. Doesn't matter if I'm a human win. I want to at least get a win. Just ghost win, human win, just want to get a win. But yeah, let's see. Arena of the Dead. Okay, so we're going to get a ghost win, hopefully. Well, I don't know. I don't think we'll get a human win. Sorry. Okay, never mind. No, dude! Yeah, well, I mean, at least we have a higher chance at winning, but, you know. Because, to be honest, there's no... Wait. Did I see somebody back here? Did I? Okay, never mind. Apparently I didn't. Oh, hello, sir. Hello, pumpkin guy. You're dead. Oh, my goodness. Why did the blast radiate? Okay, fine. You steal my kill. Well, actually, I don't know, actually. Okay, so apparently we won. I don't know. But, guys, I guess I gotta kind of end this here because I'm out of time, but... Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to get a human win on camera. And, yeah, I guess I'll see you all next time, guys.